Hey guys, so I'm restoring this Zenith radio for a friend. She bought it off of me, and no, she didn't buy it. I just gave it to her. But I started restoring it, so it was buzzing. Like the people's voices sounded like robots before, but I replaced 2 caps tonight. I won't lift it because
she said she was genuinely scared.
Sorry. So let's turn it on and see what happens. This is a Zenith Model 7S 633 from 1941, I believe, or 1939.
Among attendees were Muslims from a small mosque in the town where officers...
D'une rive à l'autre du Saint-Laurent.
Thanks for listening to ESPN Radio.
They got crowded. What
I see what's funny in it there.
Crowded?
Yeah, well, you know.
Yes, I'm restoring it on the floor.
Capacity for you. It didn't have room for one.
Nothing on shortwave, but that's... Oh, actually, I do get something, but not very much.
Welcome to the Fantasy Focus Football Podcast. Nate Ravitz, Matthew Berry, Stephanie
Yes?
Bell here in the studio.
Of course I am.
Coming up on today's show, of course, the Friday preview.
So yeah, that's the first recap video for this Zenith radio. Thanks for watching.